how to add autofill form profile on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add autofill forms profile on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click settings and then click this one here, personal browsing data, and click here on autofill forms, and here you will find profiles. Click on it and click add and here you can add it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.